Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to add a new connection on Discord, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to link your favorite platforms to your Discord account, making it easier to share what you're listening to, playing, or working on with your friends and communities. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app. Whether you're on mobile or desktop, the process is pretty similar, but today we'll focus on the mobile version for extra convenience. Once you're in, look towards the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture. This will take you straight to your user settings. Inside your settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Connections. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of any accounts you've already linked, plus an option to add more. Now, look for the add icon, usually a little plus sign in the top right corner. Give that a tap. Here comes the fun part. You'll see a list of popular platforms that Discord supports. This can include Spotify, Xbox, PlayStation, YouTube, Twitch, and more. Select the platform you want to connect. For example, if you want to show off what you're listening to on Spotify, just tap on Spotify. After you select your platform, Discord will prompt you to log in to that service. Enter your credentials, and you might also need to authorize Discord to access certain information. This is totally safe and just lets Discord pull in your activity or profile details to share with your friends. Once you've logged in and authorized the connection, you're all set. You'll see your new connection appear in the list, and depending on the platform, you can choose what information to display on your Discord profile. And that's it. You've now successfully added a new connection on Discord. It's a quick and easy way to let your friends know what you're up to and make your Discord experience even more interactive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more Discord tips and tricks.